Hi everybody, this is Tim Bost, and I've just gotten in the results from our Astro-Trading survey. We did this at the end of last month, and we put together the results here. I appreciate everybody who's took time to respond to the survey. I'm absolutely fascinated, in fact stunned a little bit by some of the responses to the questions. We only had 7 questions on the survey, but in each case it helped me understand a little bit more about you and where you're coming from, and what your interests are in trading and what you need to learn next. So let me share with you. Our first question was, how long have you been trading? A very simple question, but I was surprised to learn that by far the majority of our respondents to the survey have been trading for 2 or more years. In fact, 64% of you have been trading for at least 2 years, and about 38% have been trading for 10 years or more. So it is a very experienced group of traders that we're dealing with by and large. Of course, we do have some folks that have not been trading at all or very, very new to trading. That's why we have tools available like the Basic Stock Market Astrology Home Study Course and a lot of our instructional tools for the beginners in trading. But by a big majority, most of you are experienced traders, and so we're going to be gearing more of our materials toward you and with the level of experience that you've got. Our second question was kind of a throwaway one. We just wanted to know what sign of the zodiac you are, just out of curiosity. And as it turned out, the Sagittarius and Cancer led the pack. We would expect a pretty much even division between the 12 signs of the zodiac. Slightly more Sagittarians and Cancers are interested in the Astro Trading tools that we offer. The smallest number was the Scorpios. I'm not sure whether to trust that or not. It may just be that there are actually Scorpios there who are not admitting to being Scorpios. But at any rate, that showed up with the smallest number there. The question number 3 was, how often do you trade? And it was interesting to me that 57% trade 5 times a month or less. That's a very interesting number. It's showing that you're engaged in the markets. We do have a few folks that are day trading, but by and large, it is once a week or so, maybe a little bit more frequently than that in some cases. The majority of you are trading 5 times a month or less. The fourth question was about what markets you trade, and this is a great deal of interest to me, and because we always want to give you materials that apply to the markets that you're working with. And by far, the most popular market is U.S. stocks. We do a lot of our work in that area, and this was very, very confirming for me to see that most of you are, in fact, trading U.S. stocks. Behind that, stock indices, followed by Forex, futures, ETFs, and some precious metals. Of course, there are a number of other markets represented, but these were the big leaders. The stocks and the indices get the primary interest from you as traders, and we're going to be focusing more of our materials on those markets in specific. The fifth question was, please rate your knowledge of Astro Trading methods and techniques. And it was very interesting here because most of you are in fact actively using Astro Trading techniques now, but you want to learn more with your Astro Trading. You said in different ways that you're interested in expanding your knowledge using Astro Trading more effectively, but you don't need to be convinced that it's a tool worth using. Nobody said that they didn't believe astrology had any impact or usefulness in the markets or never planned to use Astro Trading techniques. So I found that very encouraging. Our sixth question was about the kinds of challenges that you were facing with your trading. And it's very interesting to me here that a lot of people are experiencing bad timing. They're buying into trades too late, or they're holding on to losing positions too long. These were the biggest problems that you're experiencing as trading. Some people said they were trading too frequently and getting into trouble because of that. Failing to use stops was surprisingly big. About 39, almost 40% of the respondents says that they don't use stops in their trading, and it hurts them with their trading practice. And then failing to set trading targets was another big one. But the main areas here are bad timing in the markets, and so we're working on new materials that are going to help you improve your timing and manage your money more effectively in your trading practice using stops, and we'll be talking about astrologically based ways of setting stops and using them as an adjunct to your trading. And then finally, the last question was about the kinds of learning tools that you like to experience the most. We're developing new educational materials. By far, everybody likes online videos. This was the most popular area, followed by printed materials, some DVDs, and then online seminars or webinars. But online videos are the most popular tool for learning based on an overwhelming majority of the people who responded to our survey. So again, thanks for sharing your insights with this survey. And because of the results that you've shared, we're putting together a brand new program. It's going to be introduced here on January 23rd. So let me share with you right now some of the details about our brand new program that we're just introducing based on your responses to this survey to help you get exactly what you need in the markets. We're calling this the Confidential Astro Trading Formula for Financial Independence, because that's exactly what we intend to help you reach, financial independence through the Astro Trading Advantage. So here are the details about this program.
It's now a reality. You can get the trading results that you've been dreaming about and fling open the doors to financial freedom with this no-nonsense, no-brainer, no-holds-barred approach to practical astro trading. Let's face it, you already know that astro trading can give you a huge advantage in the markets, but are you being as successful with your trading as you would really like to be? Are you really up to speed as an astro trader? Are you getting into market rallies too late to grab the biggest possible profits? Are you holding on to losing positions too long? Are you risking too much in the markets or trading too often? Are you unclear about your personal trading goals? Do you fail to use stops in your trading? Are you failing to follow your own trading plan, or even neglecting to create a trading plan at all? Have you lost money because you've been in the market at the wrong time, or in the wrong market at the right time? That's what the Confidential Astro Trading Formula for Financial Independence is all about. You can get the trading results you've been dreaming about and fling open the doors to financial freedom with this no-nonsense, no-brainer, no-holds-barred approach to practical astro trading. With these state-of-the-art, step-by-step instructions, you'll get insider access to the private strategies and the personal management techniques used by the world's top astro traders to guarantee their success in every market. The Confidential Astro Trading Formula for Financial Independence is designed for your success. You'll get the 6 top strategies for the maximum astro trading advantage. You'll get the plain facts on confidential, high-octane tools and insights tested and proven during more than 25 years of real-world astro trading experience. You'll personally learn how to protect yourself from big losses in the market, how to minimize your risk and maximize your rewards, how to leverage the power of your own individual horoscope in your trading, how to align yourself with the most profitable cosmic cycles, how to fine-tune your market timing for precision trading, how to get the most from every trade you take, how to identify outstanding astro trading opportunities, and much, much more. With this great new format, you'll enjoy convenient online videos. That means you can learn at your own pace. It's all concise, easy to follow instruction. You can replay and review as often as you like. You'll also be able to join our live Q&A calls to enrich your understanding of the course material. This is all brand new material, by the way. It has never been publicly shared before. The tuition is less than the cost of a single one-on-one Astro Trading premium coaching session. So take a moment right now. Decide if this is the right time for you. Just think about how much your life will change when you transform your trading performance. Imagine what it will feel like when you can count on your market activity to pay your bills, to erase your debts, and to meet all your monthly expenses, and to create the extra financial leverage that will let you make your own decisions every single day for the rest of your life. You'll be able to see and feel the positive results right from the start. Just compare the size of your winning trades to what you're experiencing right now. And while you're at it, compare the confidence and clarity you feel when you know that every trade you take is driving you closer and closer to your personal and financial goals. Now, this is extremely high-powered stuff, and I know you're really going to love it. Michael Yorba, who's the host of the Traders Network on Clear Channel Radio, said, "It makes you feel like you're cheating because you know stuff that 98% of the people who are trading these markets don't know." Of course, you don't have to take action now, but you will take action if you want to change your trading results. You can certainly go right on trading the way you've always been trading, and you can go right on getting the trading results that you've always been getting. You can keep messing around with Astro Trading, looking at planetary dynamics, and wondering how it all fits together. Nobody's stopping you. Or you can choose to change your trading and transform your life. You can get on the fast track with a confidential Astro Trading formula for financial independence. Click on the order button to register now, and you'll save $500 off the regular tuition price. And register within the next 24 hours, and you'll get a free Astro-Traders process map plus 12 additional video lessons. Enroll today to get the most from your trading performance.